exposing the secrets to skyrocketing your sales on social media. Get ready to boost your business like never before. First, know your audience. Who are they? What do they like? Tailor your content to fit their interests. Next, use eye-catching visuals. Bright photos, engaging videos, and catchy graphics. People are more likely to stop and look if it's visually appealing. Don't forget to engage with your followers. Reply to comments, ask questions, and build a community. People buy from brands they trust. Use hashtags wisely. They help new customers find you. But don't overdo it. Stick to relevant ones. Lastly, offer exclusive deals. A special discount or a limited time offer can create urgency. Everyone loves a good deal. So, there you have it. Follow these tips and watch your sales soar. Happy selling!